All right, good morning and welcome to the weekend here. We got cloud cover overhead. It's going to be a mild, it's going to be a muggy weekend, maybe a little soggy weekend at times, mostly overnight tonight. That's the round of widespread rain that I have in the forecast. So a little rain possible during the day today and during the day tomorrow, but certainly will be a lot of dry times as we head throughout the weekend. I would say if you have any outdoor plans, just keep an eye on the sky. So there you go. Cloud cover on the campus of UNT in Denton, also cloudy over Dallas Baptist University at the moment. And there's the clouds on the satellite and radar. But we are dry this morning. I think that'll be changing as we head throughout the day today. Mid to late morning hours, kind of through the early afternoon. A little spotty to scattered rain out there, but nothing overly significant, just enough that it could ruin any plans if you have anything going on outside. Better chances for thunderstorms will be across far western North Texas late through the afternoon into the evening hours, but you can see kind of Saturday evening into Saturday night will be mostly dry for the majority of North Texas, but watch what happens. Here comes a round of widespread rain. There's 10 o'clock tonight, moves into the DFW area sometime between 10 o'clock and 2 in the morning. Some heavy rain possible with any and all of that, but it will quickly move off to the east. And to start the day tomorrow, some lingering showers and storms, mainly across southern eastern North Texas as we start the day tomorrow. As far as the severe weather threat is concerned, it's mainly across western, southwestern North Texas, kind of where those storms will be during the evening and into the early nighttime hours. As that activity moves east, it should weaken, but still can't rule out a little wind and hail in and around the DFW area, but it's a 1 on a scale of 5. So better chances for some hail and wind across western and southwestern areas kind of during the evening and then into the early nighttime hours. Tomorrow, looks like it may be kind of quiet during the day, especially for DFW, but some lingering showers and storms across southern North Texas, more so kind of central Texas into East Texas during the day tomorrow. So most of the activity most of the day tomorrow actually ends up looking pretty dry. And your severe weather threat, it's a 1 on a scale of 5 for eastern and southern areas for anything that's still out there during the morning hours or maybe into that activity that tries to redevelop during the afternoon. But most of you, I think, will stay dry the majority of your Sunday. And also most of your severe weather threat on Sunday is pretty minimal. However, your rain threat overnight tonight is going to be pretty heavy in some areas, especially across southern southwestern North Texas, where around 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible. For DFW, it's around an inch. Of course, things are saturated. The ground is soaked right now, so any heavy rain could cause some flooding issues in places. But officially, the flood watch only for Navarra and Henderson County, where all that rain fell earlier this past week. And so some flooding issues, especially as you head farther south there. So we'll just keep an eye on that overnight tonight. Thankfully, southwestern North Texas hasn't seen as much rain over the past week, so may be able to handle what will fall overnight tonight. But of course, if it falls heavily in any areas, that could lead to some localized flooding issues. So we'll keep an eye on that. Monday brings back a severe weather threat to 1 to 2 for North Texas. Really going to depend on the cap situation on Monday. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then here we go again on Wednesday. A 2 on a scale of 5 for most of North Texas. So there's your next severe weather threat after Monday. It's just that time of year. Temperatures do warm up. We're into the 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. We do cool off, though, late week and into your Mother's Day weekend. Right now, I have your Mother's Day weekend being dry and a little cooler. Actually, maybe rather pleasant for your Mother's Day weekend. 60s in the morning, 70s during the afternoon. Your storm chances return as we head into that following week. So right now, this upcoming week, Monday and Wednesday, I have a 20 to 30% coverage. Once again, kind of depends on the cap, kind of depends on how many storms are going to end up being out there, but any storms that are out there could end up being severe. So we'll keep an eye on that as we head through the upcoming week. But once again, we have that round of widespread rain tonight.
Ooh, 90.